Hello dear traders and welcome back to InstaTV for another portion of financial news for today. Summing up the results of Thursday, we should say that sellers' attempt to break the resistance zone at 1.1345, 1.1370 in the euro-dollar pair failed. Moreover, there is a risk that the pair will decline lower to 1.1300 and then 1.1270. At the same time, the euro-dollar pair is reluctant to move away from the 1.14 area as the trading activity is low in the holiday season and investors muse over closing their long deals on the US dollar. To make things worse, the temporary shutdown of the US government, including the Department of Commerce, fuels investors' concerns. This department publishes reports on the GDP growth rate, the inflation rate, as well as personal income and spending data. So these publications are likely to be delayed. Uncertainty prevents traders from making important investing decisions. Thus, demand for the euro remains high near the resistance levels of 1.1445 and 1.1485. At the same time, the higher the euro rises, the more attractive to sellers it becomes. The Brent price advanced by 8% amid a rebound in the US stocks. At some point, it has even reached $54.50 per barrel. Today, this benchmark lost 2.37%, sliding to the level of $53.7 per barrel. Lately, oil prices have been following the US stock indices, so a rapid surge in the US assets contributed to an increase in the commodity to $55 per barrel. Sellers of Brent and WTI futures had to close their short deals. However, crude oil lacks momentum to rise further amid concerns over a significant decrease of demand for energy due to trade conflicts, questionable effectiveness of the OPEC Plus agreement, and a possible rise in oil output in the United States in 2019. The dollar-ruble pair went down to 68.87 in today's trading on the Moscow exchange amid increased activity in the domestic foreign exchange market. Besides, the greenback dropped by 0.18 below the level it finished Wednesday's trading day at. Today, Bitcoin declined by 1.77 to $3,859.7, while the traded volume of cryptocurrencies in general reduced to $15 billion. Notably, it amounted to $29 billion just a week ago. Bitcoin has lost 7.3% of its cost since December 15. The price of the leading cryptocurrency is expected to fall to $3,000. And this was the latest financial news on InstaTV. Thank you for watching and see you back tomorrow.